Hi everyone. Now we shall discuss about present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense structure. Subject plus has or have plus been plus V1 ing plus object. See the clue words since and for. Before seeing the clue words, just we'll have a glance at the helping verb. I, we, you, they will be having the helping verb have. He, she, it will be having the helping verb has. Okay, now just we'll go through about the clue words. Since and for. Since is used only for the point of time. Here we should get a clarity what is meant by point of time. Point of time is nothing but a particular time. If you see 9 o'clock, it's certainly saying at 9 o'clock. Next, Monday, it's a particular day name. Next, May is the name of the month, particular month. Is 2012 is the particular year name. So, if a particular time, exact time is mentioned, then we can call it as point of time. And if exact time is mentioned only, we can use the clue word since. Otherwise, we should not use the clue word since. And this is very important for everyone to remember for all the competitive exams. And next, see for. For is for period of time. Period of time means it is a graduation of time from one moment to the other. It's not a particular point of time like since. So see, that's why the example see 2 hours. Which 2 hours they didn't mention? 2 hours. Next, 1 week. They are not saying a particular moment. They are saying 1 week. Period. Period means a gradual time. Next, 3 months. Next, 2 years. So it's not given the exact name of the time. So that's why we call it as period of time. Only for period of time we use the clue word for. We should not use the clue word since for period of time. At the same way, we should not use the clue word for point of time. So now we'll see about the conditions of present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense is used to express an action which started in the past, continued for some time and continuously going on in the future. So that means the action will be started in the past itself, will be continuing now at the time of speaking and may continue in the future also. We don't know when it is going to end. Such type of actions are expressed in present perfect continuous tense. We'll see some examples now. See, I have been teaching since 2011. That means here I started my teaching in 2011. It's a particular point of time. I mentioned the year clearly. So that's why I used the clue word since. And from 2011 I am continuously doing the action. Now also I am doing. In future I may do, but I don't know when, up to when I will do this. So such type of actions can be expressed in present perfect continuous tense. Now we'll see another example. He has been studying for 2 hours. Here is point, it's not point of time, 2 hours. So that's why I used the clue word for. So he started studying 2 hours back. Now still he is studying. And he may study in the future time also. Up to when he will study, we don't know. So, if you see the structure, I is the subject, have is the helping verb, been is another helping verb, teaching is V1 ing, since is the clue word for point of time 2011. The same way the next example also, he is the subject. If he is the subject, helping verb should be has, been, studying V1 ing, for is the period of time, 2 hours is the period of time for mentioning the clue word for. So now I think you understood about present perfect continuous tense.